Hi guys, how was the day? Hope your day was very good. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the third tutorial of probability, chapter 15th of standard 9th. In last session, we discussed about the example 1. And in today's session, we are going to learn about example 2. So, don't waste the time and go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework, example 2 from your textbook and homework. Have you done your homework? Hope you have done. So starting with the first formula. Basic formula of probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. Go to the next. Homework answer. First question was, a coin is tossed 1000 times with the following frequencies. So total outcomes 1000. For head it's 500 possible outcome and for tail 500 possible outcomes. Compute the probability for each. So possible outcome for an event, head equals to 500. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. So 500 divided by 1000 equals to 1 upon 2 because 0, 0 cut, 0, 0 cut and 5 2s are 10. It is very easy method. Okay. So answer is 1 upon 2 equals to 0.5. And for tail, it's 500 possible outcomes. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 500 divided by 1000 equals to 1 upon 2. It is also 0.5. Here you should check the addition of both probability. So addition of both equals to 0.5 plus 0.5 equals to 1. Hope your answer is right. So go to the next. It's second question. A coin is tossed 2000 times. Means total outcomes 2000. And for head, possible outcome is 1455. And for tail, possible outcome is 545. Compute the probability for each. So, probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. So, 1455 divided by 2000. So, 5 into 291 equals to 1455 and 5 into 400. 5 cut. 291 divided by 400 equals to 0.727. And for tail, probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 545 divided by 2000. So 5 into 109 divided by 5 into 400. 5 cut. So 109 divided by 400 equals to 0.275. Check addition of both probability. Here addition of both equals to 0.727 plus 0.275 equals to 1.002 means 1. Hope your answer is right. So going to the session, example 2. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times, means total outcomes 500. And we get 2 heads, 1 head and no head, means here we have 3 possible outcomes. 2 heads. 2 heads 105 times. 1 head 275 times. And no head 120 times. So find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. Here we have 2 coins and tossed simultaneously 500 times, means Total outcomes 500 and possible outcome for 2 heads equals to 105. So probability equals to 105 divided by 500. 521s are 105 and 500s are 500 equals to 21 divided by 100 because 5 cut. So 21 divided by 100 equals to 0.21. Now for one head, its possible outcome 275. So probability equals to 275 divided by 500. 555s are 275 and 500 equals to 500s are 500. So 5 cut and 55 divided by 100. So answer is 0.55. And for no head, it's 120. So probability equals to 120 divided by 500. 524s are 120 and 500s are 500. So 25 divided by 100. So it's 0.24. Got it? Here example 2 is done. So remark, here addition of thrice means 0.21, 0.55 and 0.24 equals to 1. Means these 3 trials cover all the trials. Means we have no other option. Got it? So it's homework time. First, 2 coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times and we get 2 heads 205 times, 1 head 175 times and no head 120 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. Second question is 2 coins are tossed simultaneously 100 times and we get 2 heads 25 times, 1 head 25 times and no head 50 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each of these events. Best of luck, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you.